In this video, we listed the 5 best gaming PCs that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Alienware Aurora R10 Desktop. The Alienware Aurora Risen Edition Desktop is a high-performance gaming tower designed for serious gamers and creators, running on Windows 10 Home and powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 3700X processor with a clock speed of 4.4 GHz. It features a dedicated AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT graphics card that benefits from PCI Express 4.0 technology, enabling doubled bandwidth for improved gaming performance and smoother streaming or recording experiences. With a memory storage capacity of 512 GB and 4 available memory slots, the Aurora is built for flexibility and speed. The innovative Legend industrial design enhances airflow, reducing CPU temperatures by up to 8% compared to previous models, resulting in increased stability and performance. This combination of cutting-edge technology and efficient design positions the Alienware Aurora Risen Edition as an ideal choice for those looking to explore and develop immersive gaming worlds. Number 2. Panorama Gaming PC. The Empowered PC Panorama is a high-performance pre-built gaming desktop designed for elite gaming, content creation, and virtual reality experiences. Powered by an Intel Core i9-14900KF processor with 24 cores and a maximum boost clock speed of 6 GHz, it delivers exceptional processing capabilities. The system features a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, ensuring fast and smooth graphics performance. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB PCIe NVMe Gen 4 M.2 SSD, it offers rapid data transfer speeds and seamless multitasking. The PC is equipped with 10 ARGB PWM fans for efficient cooling, housed in a stylish case with tempered glass panels for a panoramic view. It runs on Windows 11 Pro and comes with a free rainbow backlit USB keyboard and LED USB mouse. Assembled in the USA, the Panorama is rigorously tested for quality and supported by a lifetime technical support and a 3-year limited hardware warranty, making it a reliable choice for gamers and creators alike. Number 3. Acer Predator Orion 3000. The Acer computer tower is a powerful multimedia and gaming machine, equipped with an 11th generation Intel Core i7-11700F processor that boasts speeds of up to 4.9 GHz. It features dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, ensuring high-quality visuals for gaming and multimedia tasks. The system includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 64 GB, alongside a 512 GB NVMe M.2 SSD for fast storage performance and a 1 TB 7200 RPM HDD for additional capacity. Connectivity options are robust, featuring multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2 Type-C, as well as Intel Wireless Wi-Fi 6 and Killer Ethernet for reliable internet access. The package also includes a Predator RGB gaming keyboard and mouse, and it runs on Windows 11, making it an ideal choice for gamers and multimedia enthusiasts alike. Number 4. SkyTech Blaze Computer PC. The SkyTech Gaming PC is a robust and versatile computer designed for personal use, gaming, and business applications, featuring a Windows 10 operating system. It is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 2606 core processor with a base speed of 3.4 GHz and a maximum boost of 3.9 GHz, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card with 6 GB of GDDR5 memory, ensuring smooth performance in high-demand games at 1080p resolution. The system boasts a 500 GB SSD, significantly faster than traditional HDDs, and includes 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, expandable via for available memory slots. The computer is housed in a stylish mid-tower case with tempered glass and features 3 RGB ring fans for optimal airflow. Connectivity options include multiple USB ports, HDMI, and D-sub outputs, along with PCIe AC Wi-Fi. Additionally, it comes with a free RGB keyboard and mouse, a 550-watt power supply, and a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with lifetime technical support. This gaming rig is capable of running popular titles like Apex Legends, Fortnite, and PUBG at high frame rates, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. Number 5. OMEN 25L Desktop PC. The OMEN gaming laptop is a powerful and versatile device designed to cater to a variety of users, including gamers and professionals. It runs on Windows 10 Home and is powered by an impressive Ryzen 5 3500U CPU, which reaches speeds of up to 4.1 GHz, coupled with a dedicated AMD Radeon RX 5500 graphics card. This laptop ensures a smooth gaming experience. It features 8GB of DDR4 RAM and a substantial 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD, enabling fast multitasking and quick game loading. The laptop's 1920 by 1080 resolution display delivers crisp visuals and vibrant colors, perfect for immersive gameplay. Additionally, it offers versatile connectivity options with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and multiple USB ports, while its robust metal chassis and raised feet promote effective cooling and stability during use. Overall, the OMEN laptop is a well-rounded choice for personal, gaming, and business applications.